Control number 40684, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I'm Venus Bernice Gidoran. I'm 38 years old. I'm single. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I'm the youngest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I graduated in Tabonoc National High School
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
because I want to go help my parents and my family and also saving for my future.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I have been before in country for like Saudi. I experienced 6 years. I took care of the elderly and Singapore also in 4 years.
What can you do for elderly?
I do for the elderly, I take a bath, preparing food, and taking of their medicine.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
I have experience for the children like 7 to 9 years old. I play with them, take care, and preparing food, and etc.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Except for the household cleaning, I also take care of the kids and also tutoring for the children.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook chop suey. I can cook also steamed vegetable, steamed fish.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
As myself, I describe, I'm loyal, patient, and honest to my employer.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I do directly to him and say sorry many times so that she can accept me as my sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
I describe myself by past and the new. I have a very patient helper, domestic helper, and also they treat me as like a family and I like as a sister also.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Good day, sir and ma'am. If you choose me as a domestic helper, I promise I do anything. I do my best. I'm loyal, efficient, I'm understanding, and I willing to learn more. Then I do my very best. I promise I do finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir.